Starting route to Sephora. Head east on West 7th Street.
Starting route to Sephora. Head east on 7th Street. Gotta go and get my makeup cause I've been out since last week. Basically, like when you show up, they're gonna give you this water that's basically only bottled in the Himalayas. It's packaged inside of this plastic that they got apparently from like Mars or something like that. I've had it once in my life and it was totally game changing. I think that everybody should have it. Then they give you this sound bath, but at like a silent disco. It's so exclusive. Currently at doctor's appointment, will return in 2 weeks. Not a cat person. I don't think that's his nephew. How are you not a dog person? I don't think that's his sister. That is the 5th fish I've seen. August wedding, all white flowers, house by the beach, 1 dog, 2 cats, sealed.